Hello friends. For example, if you have a product and you don't know what is the product and what is its expiry, and you also want to know what is the product details. What you do? Generally, we always seek help from a sighted assistant. But just think you don't have any sighted assistant near you. Then how you can identify? For that, I'm going to introduce an amazing application designed by Microsoft, which is Seeing AI, and this application is really your friend. You can really fall in love with this application. Today I'm going to share with you only one feature of this application, which is to identify product. But this application has few more interesting features which you may discover on your own, or wait for me. I will make different videos and I will tell you how you can use them. So without further delay, Ratul this side from VI Tech Academy. Let's get started. So the application name is Seeing AI. You can find it on Play Store. Link is also available on our official WhatsApp channel and the video description below. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and Telegram.
Spotify, row 14.
Let me open this.
Seeing AI, row.
Now first time
See
when you
short
open,
text.
you will get some messages, and after that you need to click on agree
Leo
button.
Mazanin.
Okay, so after that you can able to use this. Now here is some channel tab available. You can find
Quick help
this
button.
option
Open
C.
navigation drawer. 2 minutes. 8. Stop. Selected. Short text. Channel.
Short
Scene.
text channel, then
Document. Chat.
document channel,
Product. Channel.
product channel,
Scene. Preview. Channel.
then sync preview channel. Okay, so
In.
we will choose
Scene. Preview. Product. Channel.
product channel.
Amazon.
Okay, because if you want to identify the product, you need to choose the product channel.
Scene. Product. Channel.
So let me choose the product channel.
Product. Selected.
Now your product must have a barcode. Okay, so now you need to keep your phone in front of the product. So I'm doing so. When you will get this beep properly, you should understand that there is a barcode.
Processing. Close.
Yeah,
Seeing AI.
now it
Dentasure
works.
toothpaste total oral care 100G.
See.
Seeing AI. Navigate. Dentasure toothpaste total oral care 100G.
Dentasure toothpaste something. Now if you click on
More info button.
more info, you can see the more info. See.
Seeing AI. Web view. Dentasure toothpaste total oral care 100G. Heading 1. Dentasure toothpaste has a unique formula and comes with the dual protection of neem and clove that fights germs and prevents dental cavities. It acts as anti-gingivitis. It also has calcium that strengthens the teeth. Use Dentasure toothpaste daily for fresh breath and sparkling teeth.
Okay, so this is the information about this product which we get by scanning the barcode.
Play button.
So you can also play. I'm playing.
Dentasure toothpaste total oral care 100G. Dentasure toothpaste has a unique formula and comes with the dual protection of neem and clove that fights germs and prevents dental cavities. It acts as anti-gingivitis. It also has calcium that strengthens the teeth. Use Dentasure toothpaste daily for fresh breath and sparkling teeth.
So if you want, you can also share this.
Share button.
Okay, and also
Stop recording. Share.
nothing
button.
else.
Windows
So
Seeing
you can
AI.
also share this. So share is easy. I'm not going to show you, but as it is a new application and it is AI based, so sometimes it may take time. So this is how you can easily identify any product by using the barcode feature or the product feature of this application. We will see more features of this application in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this for free. Drop us into the comment section if you already know about this application and what is the best feature according to you. See you soon in our next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.